kita, jadi saran saya kunjungi BCCF, kemudian ke Coffee Prianger di Taman Toto. Oke. Mas,
Kenapa?
hubungi pemiliknya kalau bisa, standby di Prianger kalau memang apa Morning Glory. Kemudian ke yang Gudang Selatan, tempat anak-anak muda luar biasa tuh Pak. Bangunan tua militer jadi itu.
Morning Glory itu bagus ya.
Kalau masih ada waktu bisa ke alun-alun atau ke taman film atau teras ikan.
He will appoint somebody to bring us to
Yeah.
go to. But lunch first.
Yeah, I think then after this you go lunch first at Morning Glory aja.
Okay.
Oh, you go
Because-
to Morning Glory.
Because Morning Glory is the one who has the Prianger coffee.
Okay, we go to Morning Glory lunch and taste the
Yeah.
coffee.
That best
Prianger coffee.
one of the best coffee in the West Java is named Prianger coffee.
And the brand is Morning Glory.
The brand. But before you go, I will explain in 5 to 10 minutes about Bandung. And I'm a generation who use the smartphone. Yeah. So when I become a mayor, everything is manual, so it's too slow. So after 2 years, I changed all the management into technology. So now we have 300 software. We fight corruption also using this one. We fight the slowness also using this one. And now Bandung has the command center. The reason I have a teleconference is because not many city using the technology. So I give them free all these apps to accelerate Indonesia in the faster way.
You know the future.
Actually, the person who is majoring architecture can get three-dimensional perspective. So usually, point perspective, one-dimensional. The other is the second, two-dimensional. Then they want to make the right, but the architecture wanted to make another cubic perspective. So then the idea. So
Let me start explain Bandung ya. Man, slide pertama man tentang Indonesia. Yuk, ini masih ada kursi yang berdiri-berdiri. Have a seat. This is my personal experience. Yeah, I was working in United States as an architect. I study in California. I returned as a mayor, but also I was a social activist. I built many communities, including Indonesian urban farming movement. Yeah. From 2 cities, in 2 years, become 40 cities. People plant vegetables in the urban area. That's why I travel. This is my projects all over the world before I become a mayor. In South America, Argentina.
Open planning.
Huh?
Open planning.
In architecture. So I bring the spirit of international quality to my bureaucracy also. This is my home. It's made of Red Bull.
You design?
I designed
Cool.
30,000 Red Bull bottles recycled.
Wow. Red Bull boy. Yeah.
Okay, next. This is a mosque in Bandung also. A simple mosque for praying. This is inside the mosque.
Inside mosque, very unique mosque. Not
This
like
one, Tsunami Museum in Banda Aceh.
in Aceh, you see.
I won the competition.
He built a museum, architect.
Okay. Aquatic. This is in Jakarta, epicentrum. We build the master plan, clean the water also. I show you. Later a project inspired by Chonggechun river. Yeah. Okay. Baik. So after 17 years as an architect, so I go to politics. Yeah. So 2013, I go door to door. There was eight candidates. I was number 4. So campaigning to many people. Okay. So Bandung is the capital of West Java. in Indonesia we have more 500 cities and regions. Yeah. So Bandung is the closest metropolis. Why you take 4 hours to Bandung? Because Jakarta people they always want to go to Bandung. Yeah. That's why in the future the President Jokowi is building high-speed train connecting Jakarta to Bandung only 35 minutes. So if you come 2019, you take the train, like Seoul to Busan or Seoul to many places. This is the layers of Bandung. Number 1, our population is 2.4. Number 2, we are the youth city.
Wow.
60% under 40. So I'm running the city full of young people. And we have more than 50 university in Bandung. 50, yeah. That's why every year I receive thousands of new students study in Bandung. We grow almost 8%, yeah, economy, trade, and the best thing is almost 60% SME. So the economy of Bandung is small, medium enterprise. We have the best collection of Art Deco buildings in the city, and we are surrounded by mountains.
Morning glory.
Morning glory. So within 30 minutes you have balik lagi hills, yeah, nature, tourism destinations. Korean family often come to this for a hot spring.
Oh,
Yeah, so,
This is
so
hot spring.
Korean
you have
love,
a spring.
we have many hot springs.
Oh.
Yeah. So many Korean go for hot spring. Okay, next. Because the weather is cold, yeah. People of Bandung love to produce new F&B. So we are also vetted the culinary destination. Now, this is what you will see some, yeah, today is so many products from Bandung young generations that from clothing, technology, and so on, so on. We selected 20 best products, yeah, that we hope it can be also promoted in Korea, combination with the coffee projects. Okay. This is the problem, yeah, your problem today. So we have good news, 6 million tourists, but most of the tourists come by car. That's why we are building the train in 3 years to make sure people shift the transportation to train. Bandung has these 3 T's. Yeah, this Research Florida's theory. We have many talent because we have many universities. We have open society. Yeah, that's why we are very tolerant to IDs. Number 3, we are like this. People in Bandung love technology. So combination technology, open society, and talent. That's the ingredients of Bandung.
Creativity.
People of Bandung love to do voluntary. Yeah. So volunteerism is the culture of Bandung. So every day we have volunteerism. The military also in Bandung, we have collaboration.
You know, like Sukarno, the first president of Indonesia, is like him. Pak Wali, who represented Korea in the Asia-African Summit in 1955? You still remember?
I don't know. I don't remember.
The home of Asian-African Summit. 1955.
55.
They were just celebrating Hong Kim Yong-sam. They just celebrated the 60th anniversary, right?
Yeah.
Last year.
55 ya. Okay, thanks. This is also
Happiness by design.
our strength. We are the first city to experiment with happiness projects.
Chief Happiness Officer.
We are believe that advanced society is not always measured by economic statistic, but also by intangible quality like happiness.
Like Bhutan.
So after 2 years, like Bhutan, we score now 70.6. In local standard, 70.6 means happy. 0 to 25 not happy, 25 to 50 all so-so ya. 50 above is considered happy. So Bandung score 70.6. We built a creative center in the slum area. Next. This one I founded the urban farming. Now this is the new culture in Bandung. People now grow vegetables in the wall, on the wall, empty land, and many places. This is, for example, in the slum area in Bandung. On top of dirty river, they put bamboo, and they grow vegetables. So to create a space, and we sell it once a month in the weekend market. Okay. This one we try to bring happiness to poor people. So every weekend the district bring movie to the slum area
For free?
for free. And in the middle of the movie we stop and we propaganda the
Happiness.
the happiness, you have to pay the tax, you have to obey the law. There is a message from the mayor. After 5-minute break, propaganda, we go back to happiness. This is also happiness projects. As a mayor, I bring dinner to the poorest family once a week, half an hour, just to give them a sense of hope. While we're building the physical takes time, at least the mayor is not too far from the poorest part of the family, of society. We change the society also using the day theming. Monday is no rice day in Bandung. Tuesday is no smoking day. Wednesday is Sundanese day, culture day. Sunda is our ethnicity. Thursday is English day, to speak English. Friday is a bike to work day.
So all beautiful girls coming from Bandung.
Yeah, because of the weather also.
Because of the weather.
We launch a free bus for children to give less stress. Yeah. So it's a free bus for children. Next. This is Wednesday, Sundanese day. Friday. Festival. Bandung love to do festival. Go back. So I offer you, if you want to have Korean nights, it's very easy. I can close the road. You can bring your networks of Korean in Jakarta or in Bandung. Music Korea, Korean food, watching movie, Iminho coffee, Luwak coffee.
This is good idea.
Yeah. Because the weather is always not next.
The weather
Here is what happened.
Hmm.
So you can imagine thousands of people. I can give this to Korean friends. Yeah. This is my offer also. Okay, next. Ini melewati. So the last 2 years I renovate at least 10 city parks. Yeah. This is one of them. Under the highway, before it was dark, that space, we make it a movie park. So people can watch movie for free every day.
That's good idea.
This is highway.
That's
Yeah. Before it's dirty, criminal. Yes. So now we make it watching movie or watching football. Now after 2 years, this situation never happened before, because children like this, they go to the mall. Yeah, they go to the mall, to cafe, play games. But now I clean up the water like Chonggechun inspiration. Yeah, we make river revitalization. Now, children of Bandung have a new culture. They going back again to the city park and all that. This one also new. Before it was full of street vendors, yeah. But now it's become the main spot of Bandung. This one also, before it was slum area. Last year I moved the kampung, the slum, to apartments, and the slum I created the new public space. So that's why if you see the photo, this is why we are happy society. We are also focused in creativity. Bandung last year awarded UNESCO Design City.
Last year?
Last year, yeah. So my job is to make sure UNESCO not disappointed. In the next coming year, I will prove that Bandung full of nice design, concert hall is under the way and many things. Another intervention, by under the highway. Okay, next. So the last 2 years I built many places like this. This one, berikut, is under construction, is a creative center. 5-story for young people of Bandung to come and experiment. Yeah, there is a library for design, there is a movie, there is a studio for music, studio for fashion, ICT. Before, the government not really into the creative economy, but since I was a creative economy person as a mayor now, so if you come next year, January, this building is finished. We built innovation center also for people of Bandung to produce innovation and so. This is also under the bid, yeah. I bike to work every day also. Okay. This is also next year finished. Terus. Okay. Udah saya kira itu aja. So I think Pak Hermawan,
Yes,
I
Pak.
think that will be the introduction.
Yes.
Yeah. We would love to have a business. Coba tunjukin yang Little Bandung di Paris. So I show you. We have our display of our product. One in the city of Paris in France. Number 2 in Malaysia next month. So we are hoping we can have the best one in Korea. This is to show you we are very serious in promoting the business.
So it's been so impressive. So then I cannot say like this, but I found your brighter future, not only for yourself, but also for Bandung City and for eventually for Indonesia, I think.
I think what I'm doing is not extraordinary. It's just before the culture and bureaucracy less innovative. So I bring the culture of innovation for bureaucracy. That's what I'm doing now. But hopefully this is what you will see, that Indonesia in the future is really like Bandung. It's proactive, it's progressive. Yeah.
Yeah, so you will see that I think please support Bandung in Korea together with the other cities for sure. But our mayor is not only thinking about Bandung, he's from Bandung, but he want to help another cities also.
Yeah, this is with the mayor of Seoul.
Your friend?
This is
Yes,
This is his friend.
Yeah.
This is his friend.
Oh,
Professor.
yeah, buddy. Okay.
He's very close friend of mayor of Seoul, so we can support.
Mayor Seoul office is full of books.
Yeah.
That's why with this ICSB network, hopefully we can enrich your idea about in Korea.
Yeah. Saya kira itu Pak.
Yeah. He
Any-
is the chairman of like Kadin for small medium enterprise, like Chamber of
UMKM ya.
Korean Federation for micro. So he has 3 million small medium enterprise members and 7 million.
Actually,
And the 4 is professor. But he
Ah.
is
This is the product that we put Pak Hermawan in
In
Paris.
Paris, yeah.
So we talked to Paris people and they selected which one is suitable to the taste of European market. There is a watch with woods. My eyeglasses also is a Bandung made. Is by wood, very light. Yeah.
this is made by
yeah,
Bandung.
oh,
Yeah.
so good.
This is made in Korea. It's made in Korea and it's made in Bandung. I take your picture. Yongjin, please, I take
Send your
made in
eyeglasses.
Bandung and made in Korea.
This is Korea.
Yeah, made in Korea.
Collaboration, huh?
Collaborate. Okay. Made in Korea and made in Bandung. Show to your friend in Mayor of Seoul.
Alright.
So last point is, in order to support the SME, we make 3 policy last year. Coba ke gambar. Nah, ini nggak bisa. Number 1 is I demolish the permit process for business under 50,000 US dollar. No need permit.
Oh,
First time in Indonesia.
To make it easy.
To make it easy.
No
So
bureaucracy.
for small business under 50,000 US dollar, you don't need permit.
To slash them.
so they just notify?
Yeah, you just notify using the smartphone,
It's easy to
reporting to the government that I'm running such and such business. We launched this policy January 2016. 30,000 already registered. So
Wow.
from January to June,
As of him.
yeah, Pak Erick. This is the apps, yeah. Apps,
I will inform.
Gampil. This is how you report your business. For business under 50,000 US dollar, no need permit. You just open your business, report by this one. So only 5 months, 30,000 registered of this one. That's policy number 1. Policy number 2, I give microcredit without equity. So, but you have to apply in a groups, 5 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You apply to us. I give you 3,000 US dollar each.
Each?
Yeah, each.
Wow.
No need equity. So, for example, Mr. Mayor, I don't have motorbikes, I don't have television, I don't have anything for equity. It's okay. So we launched what we call microfinance. Yeah.
So how did you raise those funds?
It's government funds.
It's government.
Government funds channeled through local banks, our partner banks. And good news is after 1 year, 10,000 business we give, and non-performing loan is 0. So no problem, 0 problem. Yeah.
How do you verify, who are eligible for this?
Yeah, we have the team. We have the team in the bank who visited the business. But this is how I try to make it easy, because micro business, they're always afraid to go to the bank, the big bank. Yeah. They feel intimidated.
Yeah.
So now we make it different. The bank go to the people, and we call it mobile marketing. So no need permit. We give money for a micro business. Now at the end we do the marketing. So ke
They
Tokopedia.
point something about interest rate, right?
Interest rate is only 6%,
6%.
but only pay in front.
Oh, in front.
Yeah, if you have problem, no more interest, only interest. So 10,000 I give the credit, 30,000 register without permits. Now I'm pushing the business of SME through online. Coba. Now online in Bandung is very big, 16 million transactions per year. 10 million is product of Bandung being sold outside Indonesia, outside Bandung. 6 million is product outside Bandung being bought by Bandung people. The total transaction nah coba ke bawah. Pak Hermawan,
Iya, Pak.
saya mau cerita. Jadi selain izin saya hilangkan, kredit saya kasih tanpa agunan, nah di ujungnya kita marketingkan, kita promotnya online. Nah ini
Wow.
16 juta transaksi Pak orang Bandung Pak online.
16 million
Ya.
per what?
Per tahun Pak.
Per year.
Ya. 10 jutanya itu 10 jutanya itu adalah barang Bandung yang dibeli orang. 6 jutanya barang orang yang dibeli orang Bandung. Nah sekarang di Tokopedia kita menjadi kota pertama yang dikasih halaman khusus. Jadi
Special.
saya bisa promosikan ke sini aja.
Very good, Pak.
Semuanya ada di sini. Betul. Jadi itulah kira-kira
Iya.
strategi SME ini.
Is this system run by the city or?
No, by my partner, business partner.
Tokopedia is the competition completely. They do it. Pak, 1 minute, only 1 minute. I was just elected as the Asia Council for Small Business in New York because of the support of Korea. He is the immediate past president of ICSB in the world. During his term, very good, just like I explained yesterday, UN conference, and we have UN Small Medium Enterprise Day already, UN, on the 16th of June. So please celebrate also every 16th of June. That is official UN SME Day all over the world. So, because I'm the president of ACSB and he is the honorary founding chairman of Asia and his secretary general, so we want Indonesia to be the model of Asia, right? And Indonesia, I can see Bandung, so I can have Bandung to be the model of Indonesia, and I will bring it to Asia level, right? If you agree with me.
Of course.
That's why you will.
Little Bandung di Malaysia.
That's why you will sponsor one dinner at Asia Council for Small Business, and please make sure that you will be there and welcome all the Asia delegation. And at that time, I will say in front of the delegation as the I'm now still president-elect, but the handover will be at that conference.
Okay.
When you were there, I will proclaim that Indonesia now has the burden, the responsibility to set the example for the other Asian country with the support of Korea. And you will be there in front of.
So by September you are the president.
Yeah, now
official.
president-elect, just elected in New York. Yeah, that is only one message for you.
Okay.
I always support you, Pak.
Ya, makasih Pak. Thank you very much.
Yeah. You still have long career, still young.
So I can
So yeah.
actually,
Any questions
Any question?
so far? Okay.
No, it's just amazing, you know.
so then
How many-
just one question. Okay.
2 years now.
How many, small micro manufacturers do you have?
Manufacture.
Yeah, not only, retailers. There are lots of retailers in that city.
Pak Erik, ada pertanyaan berapa rumah-rumah produksi, nggak hanya retail jual, apa nggak datanya?
Data konsumsi. Ya.
Bisnis yang memproduksi sendiri maksudnya begitu?
Ada kita sebetulnya punya 30 sentra Pak di Bandung, tapi yang kita khusus bina itu ada 7 Pak. 7 sentra.
We have 30 zones of production.
Any
So we give zone, one for knitting like sweater making, one is for shoes making zone. We are 30, yeah. But I don't know the total. Maybe we have to check. But we create a cluster of productions in Bandung because we don't have natural resources. We don't have energy resources. What we have is only human capital resources. That's why we make the decision. Ibu Tita here is the one of the most important person in creative economy community. So after this, she will accompany you to the Priangan Cafe and visited young people working in the cluster area.
I mean, this is amazing. You have that rate of youth in the population.
Yeah, how much is it?
That's
How much
very
is it?
difficult for great economy.
Pak Hermawan, this is my little Bandung in Malaysia.
Wah, I will
Next
go
month.
with you.
Yeah.
Dengan Pak Menteri juga.
Yeah, please let me know when.
Tapi enak.
Because we have ICSP Malaysia also, so I will use our network ICSP Malaysia.
Because
support this one.
Malaysian love Bandung product.
Yeah, because so
So-
many Malaysian coming here, right? Direct flight from
So
Malaysia.
all this from food, packaging food, from clothing, everything
So where is this store located?
in Kuala Lumpur.
So I have a simple case. So that it looks like the plate. So then in order to understand easily, so please show the energy performance and after performance. For example, before the little Bandung in Kuala Lumpur, some say there was a 10, and then became led to 12 or something. And then even in Bandung, before you became the mayor, so the current situation was there. And then now, after you became the mayor, the indicator was having that. So easy to understand that for us. So then if you provide the more statistics about that.
Because I'm very pro business person. Before become a mayor, I have a business. I have 70 staff. So that's why I remove the permit, because I know the difficulties to run business. So as a mayor, I have a power to make it simple. So we will love to simplify things in Bandung. So again, 30,000 new business from January to June, January, February, March, April, May, June. So 6 months, 30,000 new business without permit is to show you how fast the business, small business in Bandung.
Then the survival rate is, how is the survival rate?
Survival rate is, I think, around 70%. Yeah. Some are
First year?
first year. Some are jumping because they don't know how to market. So
Yeah, yeah.
so one of the problem in Bandung, people love to build, to create, to design, but they don't know how to sell. Okay, so that's the problem. Yeah. So many are very creative, very genius, but they don't know how to sell. So that's why I built the Little Bandung. This year, Pak Hermawan,
Yes.
we will start building packaging center. Yeah,
Mm.
because some people love to produce, but they have no creativity to package
Right.
into nice packaging, right?
Yeah, that's
So,
critical.
so we are building a packaging center for SME. So this combination is to help the survival rate to be higher. Before is dropping.
Considering the size of the city, the number of universities like 50, looks like too many. What's the size of the universities?
No, the best university maybe only 10. Yeah, the remaining 40 is small one, specialized college. College for something.
College for, let's say,
Yeah.
bakery,
Yeah.
culinaries.
So not all university. What I'm saying is 50 higher institution,
Okay.
but the big university maybe only around 10.
Have many universities or colleges, that's very good.
So you can imagine young people, educated,
Yeah.
With happy atmosphere that create the
Absolutely. But what is the GLDP of Bandung?
the what?
The regional GDP?
Uh,
The GDP per capita of Bandung.
I forgot the detail. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy the visiting trip. So I'll see you next time. Maybe in the conference.
Banyak 4 gitu, Pak.
Which camera is the?
Oke. Katanya minum di Starbucks nunggu 20 menit udah kelamaan katanya. Ini kalau di Korea ditutup ini katanya restoran fast food 20 menit itu di rest area katanya.
This is ICSV.
Oh,
So then I hope this is very memorable things for for your
Our relationship?
relationship.
To sign important
Yeah.
contract. Thank you.
So,
Kamsahamnida.
Setengah jam